Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice the word graduate and build useful English phrases for work. Let's practice together. Graduate. I graduate. I graduate this year. She will graduate soon. He is a graduate. The graduate starts work. Graduate students study hard. I am a graduate employee. The graduate joins the team. Our graduate improves skills. Graduate workers learn quickly. She is a graduate manager. The graduate leads projects. Graduate employees communicate well. I am a graduate professional. The graduate attends meetings. Graduate skills improve daily. Our graduate works hard. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share VocabStick. See you again tomorrow.